Hello, I am Veena Khandelwal. In this video, we will learn about Tkinter Canvas widget, which is used in graphics user interface for Python. We'll discuss introduction to Canvas widget, drawing on Canvas widget, the Canvas widget program, and the output. The Canvas widget supplies graphics facilities for Tkinter. Among these graphical objects are lines, circles, images, and even other widgets. With this widget, it is possible to draw graphs and plots, create graphics editors, and implement various kinds of custom widgets. Let us discuss the various methods that can be used in Canvas widget. The method createLine is used to draw a straight line. The coordinates are given as 4 integer numbers x1, y1 and x2, y2. This means that the line goes from point x1, y1 to the point x2, y2. For creating rectangles, we have the method createRectangle, where we provide coordinates and the options. Coordinates are again defined by 2 points, but this time the first one is the top left point and the second is the bottom right point of the rectangle. The method createText can be applied to a canvas object to write text on it. The first 2 parameters are the x and y positions of the text object. An oval or an ovoid is a curve resembling an egg. The method createOval, where we provide x0, y0 and x1, y1, can be applied to a canvas object to create an oval. We can paint interactively into a canvas using bind function. If you want to draw a polygon, you have to provide at least 3 coordinate points and use the function createPolygon. Now here is the program to draw various kinds of objects on the canvas. First, we import the Tkinter module, define the root window, we provide a title to the root window, then we use the canvas widget to be placed on the root window. We provide its dimensions, width and height, the border width, the background color and other options. Then we pack this canvas. Then to create a line, we provide x0, y0, x1, y1. We can write text using createText function, where these are the starting x0, y0 coordinates and the text to be printed. We can draw various rectangles using the top left point and the bottom right point and the fill color of the rectangular bars. So we draw various rectangles. Then we provide values for various points to draw a polygon. Then we define some color using this variable Python red. Then to create polygon, we use the function createPolygon. The points which are to be used for drawing polygon are defined in the variable points, which is defined over here. Then we provide the outline of the point in the red color, and then we fill the polygon using yellow color and we define the width. Next, to draw an oval, we use the function createOval and we provide the dimensions top left and bottom right. Then we pack this widget canvas and we also provide the options that it can be expanded and we can fill on both the sides x and y. Then we define a function paint, which is used for this function bind function, and this function defines points x1, y1 and x2, y2, and we also create an oval in this function. So when we use bind function, here it is B1 motion, that means mouse first left button, and then this function uses the function paint. So when we go here, then x1, y1 and x2, y2 coordinates are provided, and because it's an event handler, bind function is an event handler, so the even is the mouse left button of the mouse and the handler is defined in the function paint. So we create an oval, and then if we want to write some message, then we can write message on the root window to how to draw the oval, and then we pack this message and then we define a loop so that the images are drawn on the screen. So here is the output which is used by the program. Now let us execute this program in Python. So here is our program. So we select this program and run it. So we can see various rectangles are drawn, a polygon for which we have given the coordinate points in the variable points, the color red which we have defined, the line which we have drawn, the text which we have written, the oval which we have drawn, and here we have written press and drag the mouse to draw. So I press the left key of the mouse to draw any figure or any image or any text on the canvas. So here we see that we can use canvas for drawing. Thanks for watching video.